Hey everyone, John here from the Lens Depot coming at you with a quick little product review rundown of a relatively new product to us, and that is the DNP WCM wireless control module. First things first, let's go over what comes in the kit. We have the supplied power cable, supplied USB printer connect cable, the module itself with the attached wireless module. Please be aware that this should not be moved to the back USB ports, so just make sure that that is up at the front one next to the Ethernet port. First thing, we got to get it all connected to the printer. That's probably the most important part, honestly. First things first, let's go and get our power plugged in. The provided USB printer cable connected into the back of the module. Then, we want to make sure that our printer is on at the time, so that once we connect the power to the module, it'll automatically sync up with the printer. Now there is a 60 to 90 second delay where once you have powered it on and it is turned on, it'll take a little while to print out a small test page, but that's going to be your indicator that everything is connected and is working at the moment. The compatible printers for this module are the one you see here, the DS620A, which is one that we rent as well, the DS820A, the RX1HS, DS40, DS80, and the QW410. Now the QW410 has just a little bit of a quirky thing. This also does come with a optional USB power cable, where the QW410 is the only printer that can actually power the module itself. Now, while this is powering it on, this little module is how you're going to connect to the module itself. All it is going to display it's going to put out a Wi-Fi signal that you can connect to any of your devices. I'm currently just going to be using my iPhone today just as a short demonstration. Now, as far as the iPad, or really what this is used for, I would say it's mainly used for people who are using photo booth apps. Now, that could be at a wedding. Those could be at any sort of conferences where you have some sort of small photo booth that you're just having your employees, your friends, your guests. And as you can see, actually, it's about to print out its printer test page. Now, this is going to be, like I said, for photo booth apps. There's a huge list of compatible photo booth apps listed on the DNP site, which will also be listed on our website, where you can find this. Once you have seen this printer test page, that is how you know that the wireless system is now ready to connect. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log onto my phone, go into the settings, find the Wi-Fi network that this emits, which should just be called DNP WCM, and then a couple of numbers, and all you're going to need to do is connect to it. Once you have connected to the app, it's very important that you go on to essentially the function of the module. There's a special site, 192.168.4.1, and that's going to allow you to then log into the device itself, select all of your necessary settings depending on what kind of media you're using, depending on what kind of printer you're using. Once you do that, I believe we currently have set up in here just some regular old 4x6 DNP white paper, nothing crazy. Once you have actually connected to the Wi-Fi and connected your phone to it, it should be as easy as printing a picture directly from your device. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take a quick picture of myself, take a quick selfie. Once you've done that, you should just be able to go into your share button or whatever app you're using, find your print application. It should pop up with the supplied printer, the DS620, which is what I'm going to print to. I'm just going to hit print. Now, there is going to be a little bit of delay. I think DNP says anywhere from 30 to 45 seconds, depending on where you're located and how close you are connected to it. As far as the usability of this product, that's pretty much it. It's just a matter of plugging it in, connecting to the Wi-Fi, setting up all your settings, and then just whatever photos you're taking with whatever iPad booth you're using. You can even put in all sorts of borders, all sorts of designs in all of your pictures, and then it's just a matter of sending the pictures over to the printer. Easy as that. All of this stuff is on our website, Depot.com. Pricing and availability is on there as well. You can call us at 407-964-1075. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. If you have any questions, give us a call. If you even need to email us, sales@thelensdepot is the best way to reach us. Thanks again, guys. Have a good one.